Weld-On's unique proprietary eco formula of ultra-low VOC solvent, cement, and primers helps businesses meet stricter environmental regulations and improve the workplace environment for pipe installers without compromising quality. The wide range of products in the ECO line achieve the same bond strength in plastic pipe joints as Weld-On's current cements, but with 30% lower solvent emissions and odor. An exposure study conducted under the supervision of a certified industrial hygienist and occupational environmental health consultant showed that the ECO solvent cement contributed significantly less emissions to the work environment than commercially available standard solvent cement. All ECO solvent cements meet the performance requirements of ASTM D2564 standard for solvent cements. Further testing by Weld-On's in-house lab for the long-term hydrostatic pressure test with sustained pressure and elevated temperature has been carried out and confirmed that ECO solvent cements deliver comparable performance to that of standard solvent cements in the market. The ECO Series has ultra-low VOC content that is far below the current SCA QMD Rule 1168 VOC limit and will also meet SCA QMD's proposed VOC limit set to be effective in 2023. The ECO product contributes toward satisfying indoor environmental quality (EQ) credits for LEED. ECO Series products are certified by NSF International to NSF ANSI Standard 14 and 61 and the Uniform Plumbing Code for use on potable water applications. This new line of ECO cements is available as regular, medium, and heavy-bodied PVC solvent cements and complementing primers for irrigation and industrial application, as well as pool and spa use. Just like many other high-performing Weld-On solvent cements, the use of a primer is highly recommended and in many cases required by local codes. For ECO solvent cements, we highly recommend using ECO Primer that provides the same environmental benefits of reduced emissions. As a distributor, carrying ECO will show your commitment to the environment and differentiate yourself from your competitors. As a contractor, you can expect the same great performance while minimizing the environmental impact and improving your crew's working conditions. For more information about how to get ECO products for your business, contact us at weldon.com.